Most robot mops are just fancy versions of a dirty sponge being dragged across your expensive hardwood. Think about it. A little part gets wet. It wipes a spill. Then it carries that filth across the next 10 feet of your home. It stays there until it finally retreats to its base. It is a fundamental design flaw that we have just accepted for years. But there is a new flagship on the scene that actually changes the math. This machine uses a rolling track system. It stays clean while it works. It is not just wetting a cloth. It has 16 individual nozzles spraying hot water directly onto the roller. At the same time, an internal scraper pulls that nasty gray water away. It sucks it into a sealed tank. This happens in real time. Your floor never sees the same water twice. This is the first time I have seen a robot actually behave like a professional cleaning tool. It is not a toy. I put this machine through the ringer. I am talking about dried coffee rinds. I am talking about muddy paw prints from the backyard. I even tried that sticky kitchen grease that usually requires a lot of manual scrubbing. It handled almost everything on the very first pass. The coolest part is the way it thinks. It has onboard cameras that actually look for stains. If it sees a problem area, it does not just keep going on its path. It triggers a special reverse cycle. It will look back and scrub that specific spot. It scrubs until the cameras confirm the floor is clear. You do not have to program it. You do not have to check your phone. It just sees the mess and decides to fix it. The suction power is also huge. It adjusts itself on the fly. It reacts to what it is picking up. If it hits fine dust, it stays quiet. If it senses heavy debris, it ramps up to a level that rivals most full-sized upright vacuums. Navigation has been another huge win. I have seen so many of these machines get defeated by a simple chair leg. A stray sob usually ends the mission. This one ran for weeks without a single hiccup. It is smart. It is fast. It is incredibly reliable. Even the base station looks like a piece of high-end furniture. It has this sleek gunmetal finish. It looks great in a modern living room. However, no piece of tech is perfect. They moved the vacuum bag under the water tanks this time around. It is a bit of a pain to swap out. You have to lift things out of the way just to get to the dust bin. Also, if you have very thick plush carpets, the mop clearance might struggle. It is built for hard floors first and foremost. I also noticed some small bugs in the mobile app. These are not deal breakers, but they are there. When you compare it to the big names in the industry, it stands out because of the nozzle count. The closest rival only uses 8 nozzles. That can lead to streaks and uneven cleaning. By doubling that, the coverage is just better. If you want the absolute best mopping performance you can buy, this is clearly the winner. If you already own the previous version, you might not need to rush out for an upgrade. But if you are starting fresh, the difference is going to feel like night and day. It is rare to see performance match the marketing hype. This is just a more hygienic way to live.